Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper of Tuesday, January the 19th, 2021. We have here Sudoku with a 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, 1 tectonic number 2, binary number 1, and a binary number 2. Total of 8 extra Sudokus. But I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. And if you have a request, you can place it in the comments. Maybe I will solve that Sudoku. Anyway, I will do the 3 stars, the 4 stars, 1 tectonic, and 1 binary. And the first Sudoku is a 3 stars. This will be number 2187. And I have already counted the printed digits. Total of 25. Yes, a 3 star Sudoku has 25 printed digits. By the way, all of these 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars has 25 printed digits. So what's happening with the publisher? Because a few months ago, the 1 star has 27. 2 stars 26, the 3 stars 25, and the 4 stars 24 printed digits. So I do not know what the reason is to equalize the printed digits. Anyway, let's get started. We see here 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column. Only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 9. We have a 7 and a 9 in the third column. So no 7 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. The 7 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 2 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1, 2, 3 is missing in this third column. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this first column. In this big square, we have an 8. So here cannot be an 8. One of the missing numbers is an 8. So here cannot be an 8. Here also an 8. So no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. 2 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. 2 and 5. 2 and 5. No. 2 and 5. No. 2, 5 and 4. 2, 5. 7, 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, and 6. Okay. Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see there's 7, no 7 in these two boxes. There's 7, no 7 in those two boxes. One box left for the 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So the row between, only place for the 7 should be there. How about yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. Then. How about 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. So we have a 9 in this column, a 9 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Yeah. Two, 1, 4, 2, 4. Alright. We have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 1, number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes. And there, 1 number left in this column. First column for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 5 and 4. 5 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Need to mark those 2 boxes. Then 9, 4, and 1. Alright. How about the number 7 in this column? 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column between, only 3 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. How about Yeah. Alright. And now. 2, 3, 4, 5. Nine. Let me think. Alright. What's happening? Two. Aha. Aha. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Alright. So now 1, 1, 1, 5, 5, and 4. 1, 9, 1, 9, 1. No, 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 no. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Let me see. How about yeah, these 2 numbers in this column. The 1 and the 4 are missing. The 1 and the 4 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, now we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 5 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 4 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes, one of these 3 empty boxes is reserved for the 8. Yes. The missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2, 3, and 8. 2, 3, and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. The 2 and the 3 are missing now. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 5 and 3. 5 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 2 boxes? The 1 and the 4 are missing. 1 and the 4. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left. The 9 and the 4 are missing in this big square. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. 9 and 8, 9 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. These 2 boxes in this big square for the missing numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I have marked those 2 boxes with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. Alright, now we have a 3 here. So this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be a 5. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 1 number left in the second row for the number 9. 9 is missing. Now we have a 9 here. So this can be 9 anymore. This should be the 9. And this should be an 8. 1 number left in this column for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4, 9 and 4. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Great 3 stars Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku. A 4-star Sudoku, so see you later. Bye bye for now.